We're going to be needing is some heat shrink and some threaded stem glides. This one's already finished. But basically what we're going to do with the threaded stem glides is put some heat shrink on top, whatever fits most snug, and then we're going to use an open flame to shrink it onto the thread, so then that way it's not metal touching your bumper. Alright? Now this is the real easy part. We're going to take the clip off here and the clip off here, and then the only thing securing this top rubber piece would be the sides right here, these little hooks. Alright, so with the clips off, you just slip that on top. I'm sure you could place a plastic piece right here to make it more efficient, but it's not really necessary. Also, I don't think these 3 holes make a big difference, but essentially your airflow is going to get really dirty like this. But whatever, if you want the better airflow through here, this is the way you do it. Now my hood isn't closed just yet, but if you see, I did cut a piece of that rubber. Main reason is it does help with dust. So I mean, even with this, it's going to be collecting a lot more dust inside, but it just bothered me that it was just getting like a little curl here, so I cut it, and then with the hood closed, I don't know if you can see that it lays down flat. So then now you just have your little air scoop, and it's sealed up. So you can see it from a distance, but I mean, get that focused in. It's not a big deal. And then I'm going to check my air filter right now, actually. In case anyone was wondering, I did remove the resonator from the car, right? And I did also cut a gigantic hole in the bottom. Now, obviously it's just for sound. I'm pretty sure there's minimal to no performance gains, but if AEM can make an intake that's in the same area, then I'm pretty sure this is just as good as the AEM intake. Now here's the resonator removed from the car. As you can see, it was just 2 bolts. I was thinking of just removing this and calling it a day, but then I was like, you know what, I'm just gonna cut it open. So it's been about 1,000 miles since I've had the car, but a few hundred since I've done the opening right there, and with the modified what's it called? The thing. Totally forgot what it's called. But yeah, you can see there's little dust particles or dirt particles on there. And so nothing crazy, but it's definitely a lot more than it would be if I didn't do the mod onto the shoot. You know what? Never mind. But yeah, this is what I've done to the car, or to the intake, and to help it breathe a little bit better in a sense. All right.